Hi, I'm Nathaniel Virgo, and this is the Planar Copter puzzle. The Planar Copter is a two-dimensional twisty puzzle. It's the first one that I've designed and printed. It rotates like so, with these 180-degree moves, and on the back it has the center pieces kind of stick out to form these little handles, which makes it move very smoothly. And very easy to move. So let's just restore its state. The Planar Copter is interesting because it's printed as a single assembled unit. It comes off the build plate like this, and initially the pieces tend to be kind of welded to each other a bit, but you can slide in a knife and work them loose, and then after a bit of breaking in, it turns very smoothly indeed. So I'm very pleased with how it turns, and it even cuts corners a little bit. If the faces are not quite aligned, you can still turn them and it will just snap into place. So the Planar Copter is a two-dimensional twisty puzzle, but it's equivalent to one corner of the helicopter cube, the Curvy Copter, in fact. So in the Curvy Copter, you also have these 180-degree moves, and you can see that this triangular piece is equivalent to a corner piece, and these very short centers have kind of become elongated to make the long centers on the Planar Copter puzzle. On the Curvy Copter, you have the jumbling moves where you can turn a piece by an irrational angle. Where's it gone? You can turn an edge by an irrational angle and then start to jumble up the puzzle like so. And on the Planar Copter, you have the same moves. You can turn this not by 180 degrees but by 30 degrees, and then you can start to jumble up the puzzle. But technically these aren't jumbling moves. They are only, this is technically a bandaged puzzle and not a jumbling puzzle, because there's a technical definition of jumbling, and these 30-degree turns don't count as jumbling. So this is not a jumbling puzzle, but in every way it's equivalent to solving a jumbling puzzle. So I'm very pleased with how this puzzle came out. The first prototype worked first time, and I just fine-tuned things a little bit, and it spins very nicely indeed. Really never locks up at all, and I love the way it looks. So that is the Planar Copter puzzle.